وائٹ ہاؤس کے نائب ترجمان نے ایران کو ڈیل نہ کرنے پر سخت اقدامات کی دھمکی دی ہے۔ فاکس نیوز سے بات چیت میں اینا کیلی نے کہا ہے کہ ایران نے اب بھی نیک نیتی سے مذاکرات نہیں کیے تو امریکی صدر ضروری فیصلہ کریں گے۔ صدر ڈونلڈ ٹرمپ کے پاس ایران سے نمٹنے کے لیے تمام آپشنز موجود ہیں۔
President Trump holds all the cards. They have been absolutely decimated militarily. They're now being strangled economically by Operation Economic Fury. And now they're more isolated than ever before. Look, President Trump is always acting in the best interest of our U.S. national security. Again, Iran is a country that for 47 years has chanted death to America, has killed Americans overseas, has threatened our troops, and as I said earlier, has now lashed out these rogue threats against our allies in the region. So this is not a situation that is sustainable. Iran knows that better than anybody. And so the president isn't making decisions based on fluid opinion polls. He's making decisions on what is best for the national security of our country. And there is nothing more paramount than ensuring this rogue regime cannot threaten our country with a nuclear weapon.